What's up, guys? This is Antonio, and I just wanted to share something new that I learned today. I actually didn't know this, so I just want to share it with you guys. Um, well, this is the what I'm trying to do here. So here I have a list of links to navigate through the pages, right? So now, uh, this right here, this dashboard, I only want to show it if the user is logged in, and the same with sign out. So if the user is logged in, when the user is in this page, he should be able to see dashboard and sign out. But when and he shouldn't be able to see join us, right? Join us is to sign in or register. So he shouldn't be able to see this if he's already in. Now, when he's out, and when he has signed out or he hasn't signed in, he should be able to see this, but he shouldn't be able to see uh, dashboard or sign out. So if we go to the code, um, here's my list of links, right? So I was trying to, what I thought is, okay, let me go ahead and just do the show, and but then I found the problem. Yeah, I commented it out so to show them to show all the links. So what I was thinking is like, well, wait, but how can I since if it was individual links, I could have just said like we show uh this if is for example we show um if name is dashboard and it's logged in, show this, and then go to the individual link. If it's join us and it's not logged in, then show these or hide this and that. But uh, that wouldn't work with like I didn't know how to go about it because it was going to be multiple um, if statements that I needed to do, and I wasn't sure how to do it with the vshow or vif. And then I discovered this that you can actually pass a function to a vshow or a vif, and this function will be executed per each item in your looping array. So if you add this function, it will execute per each one of these items right here. And that was very fascinating. I was very excited when I discovered that. I, because I'm uh, well, when you actually uh, you can actually pass a condition to the if and v show, but that's the only way I used to do it. Like just to say v show, for example, if v show array array dot length greater than 0 or something like that. But I had never like used it like this, like with an actual function that I can call, and I didn't know it would execute a function per each item. So like I hadn't thought of that. And then what I did was is that I created my function right here. And what I did is this. So I declared a variable called show nav, and I set it to true so that by default all of my navs are true. And only when and then I created my condition. So only when the link is dashboard, if the link is dashboard and you are not logged in, then make it false. So in the iteration, remember this is iterating per each uh, of these items. So it's gonna come here, and since I set it to true by default, it's gonna come here and check. Okay, true because it's true by default. True by default. True by default. But when it comes here, it's gonna go into my if statement and see that, oh yeah, the link is dashboard, and then it's going to check, is it logged in. Now this logged in, I'm checking it with this computer property. So in the local storage, I have the token already stored. So I'm grabbing that token. If the token is there, then I'm converting this to a boolean. All right, yeah, with the double bang here. So if you find that token there, then you are logged in. So this is how I'm getting it here. So now I'm saying, okay, dashboard, yes. Is it logged in? No. All right, so then turn it false, and then it's not gonna show it. Now it's the same thing. It's link join us, yes. Is it is is it logged in? Yes. So turn it false, because when it's logged in, it shouldn't show join us. Same thing here. Sign out. Is the link sign out? Yes. Is it logged in? No. So if it's not logged in, make it false, because when you're not logged in, you shouldn't be able to sign out because you're already out. So then, let me see what else. Yeah, well, that was what I wanted to share. Really, I thought it was pretty cool. Uh, I mean, some of you might already know this, or I might sound a little, beginner. And if I do sound like that, it's because I actually am. So I was very excited about that, and I wanted to share that with you guys. So if I come here now, right, let me see. Did I turn it on? Did I turn? Yeah. You see, now it's working. So now if I go to join us, I got my modal here, right? So I can log in, and now I'm in the dashboard. Now if I can go back home and look, I'm already logged in, so I can see dashboard and sign out. So I can go back to the dashboard, or I can go back to the home page, and if I sign out, then I'm back out, and then I'm showing here only just join us. Now I have a question. If any one of you, or I don't know, I just wanted an opinion on. So I have this sign out, yeah, right here. So I already have an action that's called sign out, and this action is in a uh, it's in the module, in the auth module, and the action, it works with the AWS and all that to sign the user out. So what I'm doing here now, when I click sign out, as you can see here, I'm calling this function right here when you click the link. So I'm sending the name to make sure it only fires when it is sign out. So what I'm doing is I'm dispatching the action. Is going to AWS. So it's in a sync uh, function, right? A synchronous function. So what I'm doing is waiting for the response of my sign out action. Now I tried doing this. So, but look, if I don't do this, I just sign out. Look what happens. So let me refresh and just click here, join us. Right, I go right here. Let me go back. Look, if I hit sign out, it's already out, but it's not updating this. And I can refresh the page, and you can see that, yeah, it's actually out, but it didn't refresh here. So what I thought is, like, if I just call, maybe if I replace the URL, the router again, it's gonna maybe refresh it and do it. So let me see. I did that. I try that. I go ahead and sign in now. Go back. I sign out, but look, it's not updating this right here. So only when I refresh the page, it actually refreshes this. So what I did is, okay, so what I'm gonna do is like try to find something that I can reload the page programmatically. So what I did this, and I found this function right here, and that's what I did. So when I sign out, after I sign out, I reload the page. So if I go here, I log in again, and I come here, I sign out. Okay, 1 second. Okay, I think I should have refreshed the page before. Yeah, so let me try it again. So let me try this again. Okay, yeah, I go back, I sign out. All right, there you go. Okay, so see, now it's working, but I'm not sure if this would be like the right approach, or the, what do you call it, the most efficient or formal approach. I don't know what's the word. So I'm just wondering, but this is what's working for me now. So if you can share, if you're an experienced developer, or if you know like what would be the right approach here, if you could leave it in the comments, I would really appreciate it. It will help me learn even more. And if this is fine, if this is just fine, also let me know. No, that's actually fine what you're doing there. So that's actually what I wanted to share with you guys. I hope you liked the video, and thank you so much.